Them for know say the champion, and Spragga Benz represent for the Reggae Boyz, and for know say a big event. In that national stadium, some boy, a little team over there, so them better lay down and play them. I say, gonna we a step out with the big star them, man like Demari Gray, large up yourself. You don't know the things there, see it? We them up on a long chat. You don't know, say I slap up them nets like that, you know. Bobby Reed, Boza, man like Damian Lowe, Leon Bailey, the star, them for know. Ready for them, you know? Them better know. We tell them say them bad team over there, so and a bad team over here. So Reggae Boyz stay over here, so we not afraid of no one. And anything fi happen, I go happen. And if it happen, them fi know say Reggae Boyz, we are the champion. And bad team over there, so them and a bad team over here. So Reggae Boyz stay over here, so ever ready for the world. Fight you over buckle, any obstacle we tackle. When make we feel threat, no Reggae Boy we score first car. We are not troublemaker, but we are gonna be the fire setter. Any hour that our team prefer. Boy full of word like them on newspaper. Reggae Boyz a gas and the lighter because if why them a look and them a judge Lee and book by the cover because the book them A1 lover. Well a one thing a team we surely discover say Reggae Boyz, yo, hey, we cold hearted and dangerous. Not a team after dark. Reggae Boyz now got shots and we have score first. Merciless and vicious. We now got delay when a goal fi bust. Reggae Boyz we cold hearted and merciless. Anything we suspect and we not take no check circumspect. Them fi know how we step. We cross any borderline. Reggae Boyz we are ask who next we cripple, who next we kill, who next we go lie, go right them will who next we send them go under the ground, who next I go dead in a national stadium, who next feel wicked, who next feel bad, who next want chat to the team where we have, who next want see when enough goal a run here we ready, who make them come cause Reggae Boyz cold hearted and dangerous, no shot after dark. Reggae Boyz now got shots and we have scored first, merciless and vicious. We now got delay when